Hey guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf here with MarineMax Dallas. Today we're going to be showing you this brand new XT22. It's a 2025 model. Wow, this boat is sharp. All right, standing here at the back of the boat, you guys can see we always option these boats with the flip up swim step. Super easy to get in and out of the boat. And a really nice feature, we've got a underwater exhaust, that way there's no fumes getting to you when you're surfing behind the boat. Obviously these chairs back here are a great place to sit and hang out when you're just hanging out, or if you want to watch that surfer, sit back here and get a bird's eye view. All right, so at the bow of this boat, one of my favorite features on the X22, it's a pickle fork design up front, which gives you a lot of space up here. This is a separate playpen, separate conversation area for the kids to have, or the women if they're hanging out up here. A couple of cool features that you have going. This boat has removable fender clips, makes it super easy to throw your fenders out, and it saves your cleat for the rope to tie up to that dock. Everything up here is cool feel, and you can option this with a bow filler cushion to make this more of a playpen style boat. All right guys, we're standing at the helm now. A couple of cool features for the 2025 year model I want to point out. We got an all new seat design here. It's a little bit wider, looks new, refreshed. Here at your throttle control, you're going to have a new control knob that's going to adjust all of your surf, wakeboard settings, or foil settings. Here up above it, you've got a new volume knob, which allows you to shuffle through your songs, pause or play the music, and just grab it real quick and turn down the volume if the rider falls. All right, as always guys, Mastercrafts have standard clamping board racks. Super easy to get your board in and out. Just push the button, there it is, release that. You've got 4 tower speakers on this boat, clips audio, super clear audio. You're also gonna have tow points located on both sides, port and starboard. That way if you got a surfer who wants to get started outside that wave, it makes it really easy for them to get up, get going, get them learning, and then you can move to the top of the tower. Also do want to point out, this tower does have the rear view camera, which is going to be on your dash. Makes it easy. You got your mirror and you also have your camera, so you can always be aware of what's going on behind that boat. Thank you guys for taking the time to walk through this brand new 2025 XT22. This boat is bright, it's loud, it's got a lot of personality. Come check it out. We'd love to get you on the lake with you and your family. MarineMax Dallas, thanks.